Welcome, Toastmaster Varni.
Okay, thank you. And how are you all? Good morning. Now, welcome to all the Toastmasters. Now, we know we are here to know more about pathways. Now, what's a path in Toastmasters? We know only one path that goes on the road with some signboards and hoardings, which help us where to turn, which area to go. In the same way, Toastmasters, tech moderator, please wait. In the same way, in Toastmasters, we have as hoardings, as our signs, we have the levels and projects which help us and teach us, learn us where to go and how to go. We are going to learn over here how to enter pathways, select a path, third, open your first project, and submitting awards and appreciating ourselves. How many of you have logged in? Type toastmasters.org. I repeat, go type toastmasters.org. You will be giving the email ID that you have given it to your president, vice president, or VP membership while you enrolled yourself in the club. You became a member. You will put that email ID on that and then click on forgot password. It is not that you forgot password. It is just that you need, this is a system generated when for the first time when you need a password, you have to put it a you need to click on forgot password, where you will get Toastmasters International will send you a password system generated on this email ID. Now, once you receive the password, you can change it as you like it. Once you click on login, you will get, you are in the Toastmasters website. You can see down the logo, there is about, and then that shows pathways. Once you click over there, you will get access to my path. Go to Basecamp, take an assessment, go to Basecamp, choose a path. Now you can click directly to take an assessment, or you can go to Basecamp. When you click on Basecamp, you will get the page that you can see on the screen now. You will go on the first box where you see choose your path, the first column, choose your path. Down, it's on the down in white, it is yourself and another member. As you are doing it for yourself, not for your friend or any other Toastmaster, you will click on yourself, move and go to next. Click will be your go to base. Once you click there, you will get this page. Now you choose your path. Now you can see the button. There are two options: select online path or a printed path. We generally select an online path rather than a printed path. The reason that it takes time to come. If you are still still the person who likes to turn pages and read, then you can take the printout from the online material that you receive. Now you can see there is an amount written over there. Don't get worried. You don't have to pay anything else as you are a new member. It is free for the first time. You don't have to pay anything. Click on select an online path. Once you click there, you will receive an assessment. Now, again, there are two ways to get an assessment to choose your path. First, directly choose the path that you want. That Toastmasters website, Toastmasters gives us those 11 paths. Or I personally go for going for an assessment, which is very simple. They have multiple, they ask 15 multiple choice questions, where you will be answering the questions. Once you click on these answers, you move next and next. When you answer all the questions, on the basis of that, you will be recommended 3 paths by the Toastmasters website. Once you answer all the questions, you could see there are 3 options given by the Toastmasters website. Now, these are just the suggestions. No, it's not being forced. They are just suggesting you. You can choose any, or you have the liberty to choose the path from the suggestion given, or by the other paths given by the Toastmasters website. What do we do when we select a path? Done. Now we need to do our projects. We will get this option where this page, as you can see on the screen, where you will be having different options. Now you need to click on navigating Basecamp to reach your level. Now when you click, there are different options as navigation, introduction, your assessment, access your skills, video navigation. These are the options. You need to dive into these projects. You just need to click and you will dive into the sea of Toastmasters, where you will learn mostly by reading the material. If you are still confused how to give my speech, you can click on the video navigation, where you will get a small video how you can go about your speech. How there is a button, access your skills before, and then you can see there is an access your skills after. Next slide, please. Thank you. Now, when you click on access your skills before, you will, like maybe when I am going for my speech, when I selected a path, I get this, I will see how confident I am, how do I feel, and do I know my project. I will click as per my understanding and keep moving next, and will answer those questions. Now, once we are done and we give our speech, how we felt after giving the speech, we give our assessment, we give answer how we felt, and later we can compare within ourselves. We can understand and assess ourselves with before and after, how much we improved. With this, you can get, this is the first level where you have to do different projects. Now, what are levels? There are 5 levels in each path. In total, we have to give 14 speeches to complete one path. It is not difficult. We have 12 months in a year. So at least we can give 14 speeches if we go for 1 speech in a month, and 2 speeches we can adjust. So we can complete at least 1 path in 1 year. It's not difficult. Just manage. Where this button, where it is showing launch, it won't be showing launch on your, you have to activate your project. Once you press that activate, you will get this launch, as it can be seen in on the screen. Once you activate the project, you will get before skills, after skills, and even there is an option where you can get your evaluation form. You can download it, print it, or send it online to your evaluator. Like this, you complete. There are 3 projects in level 1. Once you complete all the 3 projects, you can see there is one yellow pop-up. Once you complete all the 3 projects and submit it on the Basecamp, click over there to view your certificate. Make sure you do it and praise yourself and show it to your friends and Toastmasters so that they also get motivated. The latest educational program is provided by the Toastmasters International that aims to improve our communication and leadership skills. How we can get the information from about the Toastmasters? Toastmasters.org. Thank you. We can move to the next point. The tech moderator, thank you. Now, the next question, where we have reached, how we can track our progress. Basecamp, great. Yes, we can get the information through Toastmasters website, Toastmasters International website, and we can track our progress by logging into the regularly through Pathways Basecamp. Now, as I mentioned, there are so many paths, but what are those paths that Toastmasters International give us? It's dynamic leadership, effective coaching, innovative planning, leadership development, motivational strategies, engaging humor, persuasive influence, presentational mastery, strategic relationship, team collaboration, and visionary communication. So many paths for us to learn and grow. This is a quick glimpse what we have seen. What does the Toastmasters when we enroll ourselves, what we get? We get we are good in public speaking, interpersonal communication, strategic leadership, management, and confidence. Now, as you can see, there are different colors for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In different parts, some have management in the 3rd level, some have management, like innovative planning have management in the 4th level. So you will learn all these skills in different levels. There are 5 levels, in total 14 projects. First 3 mostly help in communication, and next 2 in communication and leadership skills. Now you can see in the meeting, there are so many DTM. You all must be wondering, what is DTM? It is one step ahead of leadership. When you become a Toastmaster, you take a leadership skill, you become a distinguished Toastmaster. DTM is Distinguished Toastmaster. For that, you don't have to complete all the 11 parts given in the Toastmasters International. It's very simple. 2 parts, any 2 parts of your choice, be a club sponsor, Speechcraft coordinator, or youth leadership program coordinator. Next, club mentor or club coach. Next, you need to serve as club officer for 12 months. Next, you need to serve as a district officer. With this, once you do all this, you become, you need to do one more project, that is DTM project. And once you do this, you need to submit those awards and you will be a DTM, a distinguished Toastmaster. Now, before I end and hand it over, I would like to say we join Toastmasters for different things, maybe for public speaking, leadership, or confidence. But let me assure you, at the end of a path, we develop 5 skills, that is public speaking, interpersonal communication, strategic leadership management, and confidence. It doesn't go one by one, it comes on its own to us. Man, I am so happy that most of you all are in, and everyone will log in now and choose a path. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Varmeet. There is one question in the chat box. The question is, do we select one path or more? Can you quickly answer the question?
We can select 2 paths, but as a new member, when I was a new member, I chose one to go slowly. You can choose 2 paths. There is, you can choose as many number of paths as you want. But first path is free, and after that, you need to pay for it. I hope I answered. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Toastmaster Varmeet, for a wonderful, meticulous presentation.